In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove saved login info on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu. Then tap at that gear to head over to Settings and Privacy, and then head over to Meta Account Center. Now guys, we need to tap at Password and Security, and that's where we can easily find where you are logged in option. We need to tap on it. On the next step, select your Facebook account, and what that will do, that will show you all the devices from which you logged into your account. Here at the top we can see my current device, which is iPhone 15 Pro, and also as you can see I logged into 2 different devices with my Facebook account as well. And from here we can log out our Facebook account from any device except current one. To do that, all we have to do is just hit right here, then select one or several devices or all of them by hitting at Select All, and then to remove saved login info from Facebook, all we have to do is just hit right here at this button. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.